can draw a window to select multiple faces when you want to change the color of a set of solid faces. The Clear All function on the Model Prep tab now supports pre-selection, so you no longer need to reselect solid bodies when you reset faces and features to their original colors. Mastercam now applies the result color to entities that you modify with the following functions: Simplify Spline, Break at Intersection, Break Circle, Close Arc, Spline Convert to NURBS. You can now create point segments on multiple entities with the point segment function by using the new chain option. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.